Yes, I did a lot of crap. Guess what? If you buy 10 Pokeballs, you get a Pyramid Ball. If you did not know that. Wow, I just went straight through and I knocked out a Pokemon. Yes, my first Pokemon about to capture. Okay, I already. A Bidoof. Wow, that's gonna be my first Pokemon. I was gonna be like Starly because this is Stars. Who cares? I'm going to capture. Okay. I'm just gonna show this. I got a pen. Bag. Pokeballs. 1 Pyramid Ball, 10 Pokeballs. 2 Pokeballs. First Pokemon, can it be captured? So I'll have to weaken it first. I thought it would work because he's a level 3 instead. No. Don't no. Want to fight. Okay. I can use one more hit, then I will capture you. Okay, it's a good time to capture it. It's weak. Okay, so the miss bag. Da 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 da. Bidoof was caught, and I already got my Pokedex. Just to let you know, people. What's that? Your Pokemon. I say no. I don't want to give a nickname because I don't even know what nickname to go. Okay. Wow. Let's see if it's Starler or Bidoof. It's a Bidoof. Oh. It's a boy, level 2. Wow. Pokemon, I'm just gonna send my Bidoof out for his first battle, even if he's gonna lose. I don't care. This is gonna be his first battle. He's at least gonna hit. Oh, he survived. He's 1 health. He only knows tackle. Who cares? Oh my gosh! A critical hit. He may have faced it, but he did a critical hit. That was actually pretty cool. Even for his first battle, you can flee or use your next Pokemon. I will use your next Pokemon. Have no next Pokemon? You'll have to flee. Instead of Pokemon flee, you'll have to flee. Get it? Let's own this jerk. Sorry guys, we're out of time. Blame the berries, oh my gosh. Man, I just want new berries for this. But no, I don't have new berries. Yes. See you guys later.